Hey everyone, it's Nick from the Uno platform. I'm going to be walking you through one of the features that's just shipped as part of the 5.1 release of the Uno platform. If you're already using Visual Studio, you can already get the Uno platform template wizard that's part of the Uno platform tooling for Visual Studio available here on the marketplace. If you're not using Visual Studio, for example, you might be using VS Code or Rider, you can use the Uno platform .NET New templates that's available from NuGet. The Uno app template has a lot of options and is often difficult to work out which options you want to select for your particular application. Introducing the Uno Platform Live Wizard that you can access at new.platform.uno. There's a couple of things to note about this. Firstly, this is itself an Uno application. In fact, it's the exact same application that's run within Visual Studio as the Uno Platform Template Wizard. However, this time it's running as a WASM application within the browser. The other thing to note is that it's actually a PWA, which means that we can install it so that we can subsequently pin it to our start or to the taskbar. Now that we've pinned it for easy access, let's go ahead and walk through the wizard. We'll start by giving it a project name, so my Uno app, and I'll hit start. Next, we have the two set of pre-defined options that we can pick, so blank or recommended. This time we're going to go with recommended, but we're going to hit the customize button. This gives us the ability to step through the various sections of the template and make sure that it's configured to the way we want to run our application. Once we're happy with that, we'll go ahead and click create. And unlike the full wizard, since this is running in the browser, it's not going to run .NET New. In fact, what it's going to give me here is the command that I can take, copy it, and I can go to my command line and actually execute that command. This will go ahead and generate the application using the options that I've defined within the wizard. I can then go and open the application in code. And there we have it, our new Uno-based application. I hope you found this video useful and stay tuned for more walkthroughs from the Uno platform.